Ever wish publishing SharePoint content was as easy as sending a message? Now it is, thanks to the new SharePoint agent. I'll show you how to turn a Word document into a SharePoint page. I'll also show you 2 different ways to access this new agent. Let's get into it. So I'm logged into my SharePoint site. I'm going to be converting this document about the XD500 drone, just a fictitious drone, into a SharePoint page. So just so we can see what we've got here, we've got a bunch of different content about this drone. Now we're going to be closing this, and I'm going to switch over to Teams because this SharePoint page agent is part of Microsoft 365, and it lets you create a page automatically. Or really what's happening is you're talking to an agent, you're having a conversation with it, and it will build out the page for you. It's really, really cool, and it's going to save you a ton of time. So we're going to go into the Copilot app. I'm on the Work tab. So this is going to be using my organization's data. And we're going to click on the little navigation here so that we can see other agents. We're going to go to All Agents. Now, this is really the first time you use this. You're going to have to go down this route. And once you're in the agent store, you're going to click on the SharePoint page agent and click the Add button. Now, this is going to add it to your account, so it's available for you for both of these methods I'm going to talk about. The first one is just chatting directly with the agent. So I'm going to tell it that I need a page created for the new XD500 drone. It should cover the overview, details, benefits, and how about any other information you think will help? To educate a viewer. And then I need to attach this document into the prompt. So I could hit the / key, and I'll see the XD500 drone right here. So I'll attach, this is attaching the document into that prompt, and then we're going to send it over to the page agent. So now the page agent's reading that document, and it's coming up with a plan for what this content's going to look like. So it already spits out some of this information, and then starts to ask additional questions. You want me to add a quick comparison table or include technical specifications? Let's add the technical. Well, no, let's not add the details. I don't actually think the details were in this document. Let's take another look. Were the technical details in here? No. We do have pricing and availability. How about add in the pricing and availability? I can type. Okay, add that in. And now it gives us one more view, and I think this is good for now. So let's just say, I'll just tell it to create the page. Now it's going to ask us which SharePoint site we want this to be created on. And it's actually going to give us a cool little site picker here where we can type in the name of whichever site. So we'll pick on the home site. We'll get right back to the video, but real quick, Copilot is really great for working with your data, but how are you protecting that data? If you don't have a backup and recovery strategy, here's your wake-up call. Think your cloud data is safe just because it's in Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace? Think again. Accidental deletions, ransomware, and compliance gaps can still put your business at risk. AFI is a next-gen backup and recovery platform built for modern cloud environments, including Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Azure, AWS, and Kubernetes. It offers full fidelity restores, encrypted full-text search, version history, and even self-service recovery, so users can get back data without waiting on IT. And when ransomware hits, AFI detects it early and automatically backs up your data before damage is done. Over 10,000 organizations trust AFI to protect their cloud data. If you care about uptime, compliance, and peace of mind, it's time to back up smarter with AFI. So let's click Confirm so that the page agent will now connect over to SharePoint to the site that we told it to create the page on, and it'll start building out that content. Once it's done, we're going to have a link over to the new page. And it's all done. So now we can click on this and it'll take us straight to that page where Copilot has built out the different sections and the details. And already it lets us know that this is a private draft, so it's not just going to throw something out there and publish it and the world can see. We definitely don't want that when it comes to Copilot because, as you know, Copilot is supposed to be helping you, not doing it for you. You're supposed to always be in control of what it's doing. So we'll just click on got it. So we have this. It added a nice cool page header to it. It gave it some nice color as well. It's not just black and white text. So it does have a bit of styling in here. And it added in the pricing and availability details, testimonial, which is kind of cool, and other things. So we have the option here down at the bottom. We can either keep this or we can trash it. So I'll just click on keep it. And we can, at this point, we've got a couple of options, really. We can come into design ideas, which if you've seen me cover this feature in the past, you kind of know what this does. If not, you need to be checking out my SharePoint playlist where I've covered how design ideas works. So we could come in here and we could actually swap out this for a picture. I think this looks really cool. That's nice. And another thing it does is it does add the author up here. I'm logged in as Judy Hops. I'm logged in as a non-admin account. Maybe we don't want this on this page. So just like any other SharePoint page, we can just delete that and it's gone, just so it's a little bit more official looking. The other thing you'll notice is that unless you've noticed this feature before, just to point this thing out, you'll see next to the plus icon that we've always had in SharePoint Online to add new sections, you'll see an option to add a section with AI. So this is another chance to work with AI to build out content here, where you could add in more documents if you want. You could just type in a straight prompt to start adding in more custom features to kind of make it look better. So again, you're having a conversation with Copilot, because this is all powered by Copilot, to improve the look of the page, to kind of redesign things, to add more content, more context, whatever you'd like to do. The days of manually editing and authoring pages in SharePoint, they're definitely over. Definitely over, at least if you've got an M365 Copilot license. But for now, I'm just going to hit the trash can to delete this. And let's hit save and close and just take a look at this page now. So I think this looks good. I think this looks good. This could do with some better imagery. We could add in some more imagery to this to make things stand out a bit more. But first, if you're getting value out of this video, then click that like button. And if you've learned one new thing so far, then consider subscribing, because it's just an easy, free way for you to support me, and so that I can continue to make free content for you just like this. Now, another way we can talk to this agent that is really going to, I think, turn on a light bulb in your head about where agents are headed, how you should be thinking about this. Let's go back into Copilot and let's just talk to regular M365 Copilot. We don't actually have to be talking directly to the page agent to talk to the page agent. Here's what I mean. I can mention the SharePoint page agent, and it's automatically going to bring that agent into the conversation. Now I can say, create a news post about the Navy Pier event. And then I'll add in another document about the Navy Pier event. So similar, I don't even have to put in a lot of details. I'm just wanting to show you how this could work as well. So now we're chatting with the page agent without actually having to dig down through the menus or anything and find where it is and all that. We can just, from straight regular old Copilot, we can talk to it. And we see the page agent has responded. It's given us a bunch of information here. And we'll just say, create the page. And then we go right back to, it's going to give us the site picker. And we pick the site and it will start to build out the page. So we don't have to go through this whole process because I don't want to bore you to death. You've already seen this work one time. But just know that these agents, it is incredibly powerful when you can talk to them by @mentioning. And another interesting thing is there's a lists agent coming. And that's going to be really, really powerful. And look, you should be looking for that video on my channel very, very soon, because just as powerful as it is to create a page by having a conversation, creating an entire list with all the columns and everything you need through a conversation is going to be a game changer for people who are working day in and day out with SharePoint, maintaining their data, updating lists, creating lists. This is going to be massive. So I'm going to be covering that video really, really soon. Now, if you're getting excited about how these agents work, how powerful they are, and what they can do for you personally, and you want to know how to get started the easy way and also get the most value out of this, then you want to get my Copilot Agent Roadmap. It's a free PDF that you can get. You'll see the link in the description below. It'll help you get started quickly. And if you want to see other great Copilot Agent videos, then just click or tap the screen and I'll see you over there.